the JUnit 4 dependency. In the IDE, we're going to start by looking at the pom.xml file. So in IntelliJ, we see the pom.xml file. When I scroll it down, we see the group ID and artifact ID with the version of 4.13. Group ID and artifact ID both show JUnit. I have a class called JUnit4 test. Let's start by writing WebDriver at before class. At before class is a package from org.JUnit4. Now, this annotation executes before each class. Now, I'm going to write public static void. The name of the method is before class. I will also import WebDriver. Then write a print statement that says execute before each class. The print statement is just going to explain what the annotation performed. Next is the annotation of before from JUnit4. We write that with the same kind of prefix of @ followed by before. Now, at before is an annotation which executes before each test method. Now I write public void before method, followed by a print statement. Now, before the print statement, let's go ahead and create an instance from Selenium by writing driver equals new Chrome driver. Bingo. I'm going to also maximize the window. I like making the window big as it can be. Driver.manage.window.maximize. Now, let's write the print statement, which describes what this annotation performed. Execute before each test method. There are going to be 2 test methods. And you see how this annotation is red? That's because it has not been imported. So far, we see before class from JUnit, and we see WebDriver from Selenium, and we see Chrome driver. Now, when I import before, we will see before from JUnit. Now, with the 2 test method, one test method will verify the simple form demo page, and the other test method will be a print statement. First test method will start with @test. @test is also from JUnit. @test is a way to identify the following code will be a test method. So let's write public void test simple form demo. And let me move this up some. Now, also we see test is written in red. That's because we have not imported. Now, for now, I will only add a print statement by writing first test method. Copy this first test method, then paste. And I'm going to change first test method to second test method. Also change the name of the method from test simple form demo to execute JUnit test method. So the last 2 annotations will be after. And right now we see the IntelliSense shows after from JUnit, and also it shows after class from JUnit. Let's first write after. This after class, this after annotation, will have a method name of after method with the print statement to describe what it performs. And the print statement will say execute after each test method. I'm going to also write driver.quit. And within this here, I'm going to also insert a new line after the print statement. When it comes to after class, I'm going to write public static void after class. And the method name also kind of describe what it performs. So for the print statement, I'm going to write execute after each class.